Welcome! We are excited you are interested in hearing about the future cornerstone of Georgia's aviation, education, and entertainment, the Atlanta Air and Space Museum. We are working towards building a world-class Air and Space Museum, event space, and educational campus at the DeKalb Peachtree Airport. We will discuss what needs the museum is able to satisfy, not only in the local area, but in the entire Southeast region. The DeKalb Peachtree Airport, known by its aviation identifier, PDK, has identified land available and ideally suited for the museum location. In this multifaceted project, we will also be building dedicated event facilities and business meeting space to compete with Metro Atlanta so corporate travelers can meet and stay at PDK. The museum will bring investment and tourism dollars to Atlanta and DeKalb County. We will design innovative educational programs that set the benchmark for partnerships with local and state school systems. With unique and fun guest experiences that are educational and entertaining, the museum will serve as a centerpiece in the community for enjoyment, inspiration, education, tourism, and economic development. To assess the museum's viability, we commissioned renowned museum consultant Ralph Bufano to evaluate the market and operating potential of a major air and space museum for the Atlanta metro area. Through this study, several voids were identified in the Southeast region, Metro Atlanta, and the local community. Lack of an innovative air and space museum in the Southeast, need for additional attractions in DeKalb County, lack of an applied science-based attraction, and need for event facilities in DeKalb County. With Georgia's rich aviation history and strong aerospace industry presence, we are set up well to fill all of these voids with the Atlanta Air and Space Museum. As for location, PDK is well established, being the second busiest airport in Georgia. Our selected site is perfect for the museum. It is centrally located with easy access from several major highways and main thoroughfares, MARTA rail and bus lines, and will include ample parking. The facilities we are designing will boast a 30,000 square foot event space to compete with Metro Atlanta. These facilities are what will allow PDK corporate visitors to conduct business in DeKalb County, such as business meetings, seminars, and corporate events, as well as provide a local space for weddings, private parties, and graduations. The economic prospects for the surrounding area are notable, as this project will attract significant investment in DeKalb County. The influx of visitors will promote additional business investment in the area, as well as allow local businesses to flourish. Turning our focus to education. Capturing the interest and imagination of students of all ages, modules will be entertaining as well as educational. Edutainment. We will bolster local STEAM curriculum through our established partnership with DeKalb County School District. Ahead of the anticipated construction of the full-scale museum, we are developing a traveling education program in the same style and with the same objectives, to educate and motivate the next generation of aerospace enthusiasts who will propel us to places beyond our dreams. Our vision is to create a traveling, hands-on, interactive classroom with intriguing modules where students will be immersed in learning. In tandem with the DeKalb County school system, we will design 3 tiered lesson plans incorporating developmentally appropriate curriculum tiered to engage elementary, middle, and high school students. The modules will center around STEAM concepts as well as teamwork, problem solving, and communication. Additionally, we intend to incorporate proven national education programs like the Aviation Learning Center from the Museum of Flight and the Challenger Learning Center from the Challenger Foundation. Our programs will help bring dreams to fruition by demonstrating and assisting students along pathways to careers in aviation and space. One of the ways we intend to accomplish this is to make the museum an educational campus by building interactive classrooms and labs where we can deliver quality curriculum in aviation, space, and other relevant STEAM career clusters like manufacturing, computer programming, mechanical engineering, design, and analytics. We are also cultivating partnerships with local education institutions and industries to develop programs enabling progression towards certification such as Private Pilot's License or AMP, Airframe and Power Plant Certification, as well as internship experiences in careers such as air traffic controllers, services, baggage logistics, ramp handlers, and engineers. The types of jobs that contribute to and support the aerospace industry are truly innumerable. These opportunities will make dream careers obtainable for anyone willing to work and learn for them. For the overall museum experience, we worked with the architectural design firm Nelson to brainstorm how to convey the intrigue and grandeur we want guests to feel when they visit the museum. What we found is that we want the building to be unique and futuristic, to draw the guests in at first sight, and to keep them captivated inside and out. The exhibit design process will be led by design consultants, creating storylines based on the overall themes of the museum's educational objectives, bringing together stories of aviation, space, history, and innovation. The use of technology, set design, theatrical lighting, sound, tactile interaction, experiments, and more will create an immersive experience used to entertain and educate. The entertaining aspect of the exhibits will keep guests coming back again and again. The educational component is our motivation for this entire endeavor. We want guests to truly learn something from our exhibits. Then we will follow that up with resources and programs to help them continue their education. Interacting with the exhibits is a key part to making them entertaining as well as educational. Interactive exhibits cover the three learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, immersing the guests in the edutainment experience. Our goal is to inspire every person who walks through our doors, ages 1 to 100, and leave a lasting impact on them when they walk out our doors and into their future. We are honored and encouraged to have so much community support already. We would like to thank DeKalb Peachtree Airport, Georgia Innovation Aerospace, DeKalb County School District, Georgia Power, Decide DeKalb, Epps Aviation, Discover DeKalb, and Nelson for their support. Thank you for your time and interest. We look forward to your support of the Atlanta Air and Space Museum, landing soon at PDK.